The Allure Folding Shower Chair provides a safe means of using the shower for those who struggle to stand. Mounted on casters, the chair can be wheeled into position with the help of an attendant. Reliable brakes ensure the chair is never in danger of rolling away. The design of the Allure also means it can be set up in various ways. The armrests can be unclipped and folded outwards to allow for more space when sitting down, so there's less risk of missing the seat. The chair can also be folded entirely flat when not in use, which is ideal for shared bathrooms. You will find small drainage holes on the seat. This helps prevent the build-up of water on the surface and makes for easier cleaning. The frame is corrosion-proof, so you can enjoy years of comfortable showering without issue. Along with the caster wheels, there is a convenient carry handle on the rear, which means you can move the chair around the bathroom with ease. The Allure Folding Shower Chair, part of the wider range of bathroom aids from CareCo. For more information, simply visit careco.co.uk, pop into one of our showrooms or give us a call. Thanks for watching, take care.